Future tense. Hello children. Today we are going to learn about the future tense. Verbs in the future tense describe actions that are expected to take place later. That is, actions that will take place in the future. Let us take a look at some examples. I will attend the meeting tomorrow. They will meet in Jodhpur in December. In these sentences, the verbs will attend and will meet denote actions that will be done in the future. Verbs in the future tense are made up of the helping verbs will or shall in addition to the main verb. In modern English, use of shall is quite rare and will is used more commonly. Quick question. What is the future tense form of the verb do? Will do. Simple, right? Let us practice a little more. Take a look at this sentence and the verb in brackets. Now fill in the blank with the future tense form of the verb. My parents blank my aunt next month. The verb in the bracket is visit. The answer is will visit. Will plus visit. My parents will visit my aunt next month. Let us try doing another one. Once again, look at the sentence and the verb in brackets. You have to use the future tense form of the verb in brackets to fill in the blank. We blank games on the playground tomorrow. The verb in the bracket is play. That is right. The answer is will play. Will plus play. We will play games on the playground tomorrow. That is all for this video. I will see you in the next video with practice exercises.